Hello guys, in this video we're going to see how to dynamically change the column width based on, the width of the text inside each cell. Like for example, here in column G, we write in that cell here, hello, although it's, less or shorter than the default column width of column D. And here in that column G, we write in this cell, this is an auto-fit tutorial. It's just a sentence that has a width longer than, the default width of column G. So how Excel can change the weights dynamically? Let's see how to do that. So basically, this solution is based on we're gonna write a very simple macro, very simple. Even if you don't know macros before or Visual Basic macros, you can just follow this tutorial and it will be easy for you to do. So right-click on the tab here, Auto Fit Weights, the tab of the Excel sheet tab, then View Code. So this, new window, it's a new window, it's not an Excel window, will appear to you. In this window, you can write basically, like some code. This code will add or extend the functionality of your Excel, okay? So you might have like general here. So just click here and choose worksheet, don't avoid using general. And in that general, just write one column of code. So cells dot entire should appear entire column dot auto fit should also appear. Yes, it is. It's in. Okay, that's it. You don't have to do anything else. Okay, and just close this window, this Visual Basic window, and if you just click here, it should activate it automatically. And as you see, guys, here, column D has changed its width to, basically fit hello. And the column G also, it changed its width to, fit this sentence, this auto fit. Let's try another column. Like let's write here, for example, Mustafa, my name. Again, it changed. Let's write here I, just one letter. And as you see, guys, changed again. Okay, that was it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video. Bye-bye.